Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This centralizes controls. Once you tap Turn on Screen Time, select This is my child's iPad to enable parental options. You'll be prompted to set a screen time passcode. Choose a 4-6-digit code you won't share. Make sure to enable share across devices if you want limits to apply on their Apple ID across iPhone and iPad. Doing this first establishes authority and prevents the child from changing limits later. Once screen time is active, go to App Limits and add limits by category or individual app. This reduces screen addiction and enforces healthy habits. Then configure downtime to block all but allowed apps during specified hours, like bedtime or homework. Choose days and hours precisely. Next, open content and privacy restrictions to control explicit content, web access, in-app purchases, and location sharing. Make sure to allow only necessary apps and are always allowed, so essential tools remain available. You finish by reviewing weekly reports to see what the child uses most and adjust limits accordingly. Data-driven changes keep rules fair and realistic. Once done, add communication limits and enable Ask to Buy for purchases to prevent unwanted spending. Make sure family sharing is configured so you can manage settings remotely. If things go wrong, like a necessary app being blocked, first verify the screen time passcode, recheck content and privacy settings, and restart the iPad before widening permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.